grief is the price we pay for love. I declare before you all that my whole life, whether it be long or short, shall be devoted to your service and the service of our great imperial family to which we all belong. I have to be seen to be believed. I cannot lead you into battle. I do not give you laws or administer justice, but I can do something else. I can give my heart and my devotion to these old islands and to all the peoples of our brotherhood of nations. I know I have but the body of a weak and feeble woman, but I have the heart and stomach of a king, and of a king of England too. The past cannot be cured. If I follow the inclination of my nature, it is this beggar woman and single, far rather than queen and married. I observe and remain silent. I will have but one mistress and no master. I may not be a lion, but I am lion's cub and I have lion's heart. Do not tell secrets to those whose faith and silence you have not already tested. This is the Lord's doing, and it is marvelous in our eyes. Life is for living and working at. If you find anything or anybody a bore, the fault is in yourself. God forgive you, but I never can. Anger makes dull men witty, but it keeps them poor. I have the heart of a man, not a woman, and I am not afraid of anything. It has always been easy to hate and destroy. To build and to cherish is much more difficult. Men fight wars, women win them.